I blew up a YouTube channel in less than 30 days to prove it's not luck. This YouTube channel gained over 31,000 impressions and over 2,200 views in the last few days, out of which 1,100 plus views came in the last 48 hours. And the best part? This has just started to take off and is nowhere near stopping for the next few days. In fact, most of the views came from this one video that I published just a few days ago. And before you ask, let me tell you that this was not luck. There's a proven strategy that went behind making this go viral, which I'm going to exactly reveal in this video. So get your notepads ready, and without any further delay, let's get started. So there are three things that go behind making any videos go viral: the idea, the script, and the packaging. Let's start with Step 1. How to get viral ideas. For this, we will use this amazing tool called vidIQ. You can open a free account from the link in the description. You would also need to install the Chrome extension for it to work perfectly. Now, there are two methods to go about this. First, by using your competitor's data, and second, by using the YouTube algorithm itself. Let's first talk about how to use your competitor's data to find viral ideas for your niche. For this, list down at least 5 to 10 big players in your niche. Then go to any of their YouTube channel, click on the videos section, and click popular. Copy the text for their top 10 videos. Open a Google Doc and paste all the text here. You can also take a screenshot of the page along with it for your reference. Do this for all the competitors that you noted down earlier. Once you have compiled all the text from each competitor into a Google Doc, copy the entire text from here and go to ChatGPT or DeepSeek AI. Use the following prompt. Here's a list of viral topics in my niche on YouTube. List out the most reoccurring topics and headline formats from this list. And then paste the copied text from the Google Doc into the prompt box and hit enter. ChatGPT will give you the most viral topics and headline formats in your niche from this list. In case you are not aware of who the biggest players are in your niche, don't worry, I've got you covered. Now, chances are, you probably consume a lot of content on YouTube in your own niche. In case you don't just search for topics in your niche and click on some relevant videos and watch for 5 to 10 seconds. Once you come back to your homepage, your feed will now have different videos in your niche. You can use these tabs to filter out videos by their niches. Once you filter out the videos, copy the text on the home screen. Go to ChatGPT and paste the copied text. Then, write the following prompt above the copied text. Hey ChatGPT, list out the most recurring and viral search phrases from the following list and press enter. ChatGPT will give you the list of the most viral topics and headline formats. By the way, would you like to go viral and print money through TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts? Starting tomorrow, I have found this amazing bundle of ready-to-upload copyright-free viral shorts in the motivational Reels niche and the productivity niche, both of which are really high in demand and has a high RPM. The best part? You don't have to do anything. These are already proven done for you viral Reels. Just download the videos from the members area, re-upload the video on different platforms, and use the techniques I share in this video to go viral starting tomorrow. These are some accounts that's already printing money with this exact bundle. And if you want to skip the queue of waiting for months to get your TikTok and YouTube channel monetized, then you can use this amazing website to buy pre-monetized TikTok and YouTube accounts with high-quality Western audiences at a very cheap price. Check the link in the description for more details and use code AIPFL05 for an additional 5% discount on the pre-monetized accounts. Now back to the main video. Once you get the topics, copy each topic one by one and search it over YouTube. Let me search with the term AI video generator. Sort by relevance and filter by last month. This will give you a list of all the relevant videos that got a lot of views in the last month. Look out for these outlier numbers that come beside these videos once you install the vidIQ extension. This literally shows how prone the topics are to get viral. The greater is the score, the more chances of virality. I recommend searching for topics with a minimum of 15 to 20x outlier score. Also look out for the views per hour metric which indicates if this topic is still getting views. Ideally, the videos with high outlier scores and at least 10 views per hour are the best to model. I can see that this term, free unlimited AI video generator, is gaining a lot of traction this month. I can also see that this video in a similar topic is getting a lot of views every hour and has an outlier score of greater than 100x, even though it is a small channel. So this is a topic which is very prone to go viral. Similarly, search for a few more ideas and headlines and note them all down together. Now you have viral topics to make videos on, to blow up your YouTube channel immediately. By the way, if you upgrade to the paid version of vidIQ, you can get these done a lot more easily and quickly, as you won't have to go through any of the hassles we discussed now. Just go to the Outliers section on the vidIQ dashboard. There, search for the relevant search phrase. Set the outlier filter here, time filter here, and look out for the most viral videos in your niche recently. This will not only save you a lot of time, but also give you much deeper insights into YouTube, thus exponentially increasing your chances of virality and channel growth. Click on the link in the description to get started. Step 2. How to generate viral scripts. Now that you have found viral ideas to make videos on, it's time to generate a viral engaging script for your video. For this, search for the viral title you want to make your videos on in the YouTube search bar. Scroll a bit and look out for videos that have at least got over 100,000 views in this topic, and make sure the channel also has a high number of subscribers. I will select this video for instance. As you can see, this video has got over 330,000 views, has an outlier score of 55, and are still getting almost 80 views per hour. Chances are this video has put in a lot of work to create such a viral and engaging script. Click on the Show More option and click on Show Transcript. Now, first toggle the timestamps for this video and copy the entire transcript. Once you do that, come to ChatGPT and use the following prompt. Hey ChatGPT, paraphrase and rewrite the following transcript into a new 8 to 10 minute video script while maintaining the tone, engaging nature, and captivating hook of the transcript. And then paste the transcript and hit enter. ChatGPT will give you a highly engaging yet original viral script for your video. If you don't like any part of the script, you can just copy that part and ask ChatGPT to expand on that part based on additional criteria as per your needs. ChatGPT will give you a much more detailed breakdown of that particular part, which will be far better than the initial output. Once you have a script you are happy with, copy the script and paste it into a Google document. Cross-check it for any errors and feel free to add any additional insights from your end to add more value into the script. Now you can either use your own voice or use tools like 11 Labs to generate high-quality voiceovers for your video. For your visuals and background scores, you can either use stock footage from sites like Pexels and Pixabay or use AI-generated images and videos using tools like Leonardo AI and Kling AI. For editing your videos, you can use free tools like CapCut or Filmora. I have deep dived into all these topics in my other videos, which you can find in the playlist at the end of the video. But first, let's move on to the next most important step in blowing up your YouTube channel. Step 3. How to package and optimize your video for maximum virality. You have found your viral idea. You spend hours creating content, perfecting your script, generating voiceovers, editing like a pro. But what's the use if after all that, you don't get any clicks on your video? That's where your packaging comes in. Your packaging consists of your video title, video thumbnail, your video description, and video tags. Now for the titles, we have already generated the formats earlier, and you can select the title formats that went most viral relevant to your video topic. Next comes the thumbnail. Remember I asked you to take screenshots of the viral topics earlier? It's very essential to have similar combinations of titles and thumbnails in order to blow up your YouTube channel. So for the thumbnails, you can use Canva to design similar thumbnails for yourself, or you can hire a freelancer from Fiverr or Upwork for $5 to $10 to design the thumbnail for you. Now, for the third important element, your video descriptions. For the video description, go to ChatGPT and give this following prompt. Hey ChatGPT, give me a highly SEO optimized description for my YouTube video having the following script. Then copy the video script you generated earlier and paste the script in the prompt box and press enter. ChatGPT will give you a detailed, highly SEO optimized description for your video that will increase your chances of virality like crazy. Now, the last important part to make your videos go viral, the video tags. For the tags, go to this website called rapidtags.io/generator. Here, write the video topic and press generate. Rapid tags will generate a list of highly optimized tags that will help you go viral. Now, when you upload the video, copy the SEO optimized description you generated earlier and paste it into the video description section. Then copy the keywords that you generated from rapidtags.io and paste it in the tags and video description of the video while uploading. And there you have it, the exact formula to strategically blow up your YouTube channel from your next upload itself. But this formula will only work if YouTube has a clear idea about your channel and who its target audience is. Else all of this effort might go to waste. In the next video, I will deep dive into the exact strategies on how you can feed YouTube the right data about your channel so that YouTube can blow it up easily in the shortest amount of time. You can check it out here. In case the video is not uploaded yet, feel free to check out this amazing playlist till then.